Welcome to this unboxing of the Burn Pepper Spray. Okay, let's take a look at the box. Okay, so let's open the box. Okay, so here's the pepper spray. This one is in red color. It comes in different colors. This is a half an ounce. You can purchase this for about $7. It has a key ring right here. It also has a clip. Now to unlock it, as you can see, it's locked. To unlock it, you push this in the center. Like that. And then you press down to spray it. As you can see, it fits in the hand like so. It's also compact. So there you go. This was an unboxing of the Burn Pepper Spray. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.